Good day. Today, we'll be discussing more about the application of integration, which is the arc length. So, arc length is very useful in engineering, lalo na if ang mga given ay curves. Okay? But, paano nga ba natin nahanapin ang length kapag ito ay isang arc na? Let's find out para matulungan kayong mas maintindihan ang topic na to. So, keep watching to servants. So, arc length, for example, you have this Cartesian plane. So, this is, example, this is x and y. That is x and then y plane. So, you have an arc. For example, that is your arc. And then these points are called x sub 1 and y sub 1. Another point, this is called x sub 2, y sub 2. And then you're asked to find the length of this segment, this arc. So ano din length niyan? So by getting strips of that part, okay, strip lang yan, isang diretso yan. And then this is your x and this is your y. Assuming this is 90 degrees, this is change in dy, since here yan, and then this is in terms of x. This is dx, and then itong nakuha nating segment, this is called dl. So this is 90 degrees, this is, so just dl squared is equal to dx squared plus dy squared. Okay. Next, galing yan sa c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Yan, favorite ng marami. So next, divide natin by dx squared. So, divide natin by dx squared. dx squared and then dx squared. After dividing that, this will become dl squared over dx squared equals, this is 1 plus, this is dy over dx and then squared. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung length na naka in terms of x. This is dl over dx. Kunin natin yung square root nila both sides. This will become square root of 1 plus dy over dx and then squared. And then after that, itong dx na to, mapupunta yan dito. Okay, multiply natin by dx. This will become dl is equal to square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared, then dx. Next, syempre, hindi change of L ang pinapahanap. Letter L daw, your length. Therefore, ang gagawin mo dyan is i-integrate mo. This is L is equal to integral of square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared and then dx. After that, syempre, meron tayong ranges dito. Ang range natin is from x sub 1 to x sub 2 since naka in terms of dx to. And then this is your first formula for arc length na naka-base sa x. Paano naman kapag naka-base sa y? This is simply L. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, itong mula dito, itong dl squared, divide mo naman siya sa dy squared. Okay, this will become length is equal to integral of, this is square root of 1 plus dx over dy and then squared dy. Since dy yan, this is from y1 to y sub 2. And that is the formula of length, arc length, kapag ang hinahanap mo ay naka in terms of x, and ito namang isa ay naka in terms of y. Okay? Kindly copy first. Mamaya, solve natin ang different examples na ibinibigay. Let's solve this first problem. This problem, okay, requires us na hanapin kung ano yung length. At sabi, find the length of the line segment given by the equation y is equal to 6x plus 3 from x equals 1 to x equals 7. Okay. First things first, una natin gawin dyan is to graph. So, let's graph y is equal to 6x plus 3. Ayan, gawin natin, hindi natin kabisado yung mga movements along lines, curves, or kahit ano pa. Okay. This y equals 6x plus 3 is a linear graph. So, this will be x and just y intercept. When x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to, this is 3. When y is equal to 0, what is x? So, kung 0 to, tapos transpose mo tong 3, so magiging negative 3 equals 6x. Then, divide both sides by 6. This will become x equals negative 1 half. And then, so no, sana na-gets nyo yun. Ang points ay 0 to 3. 0, 3, 0, 3. This is negative 1 half and then 0. That is your x and y axis. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 3. Okay? Next is negative 1 half. This is 1 halimbawa. Ito kalahati niya yan. So that is your negative 1 half, 0. Okay? And then plot mo yan. Tapos, yan. I-connect the dots mo na lang. Sabi, wala x equals 1. So, baba lang natin. Baba natin yung graph natin. Para magkasya yung x equals 1. Tapos, x equals 7. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 1 half. Next. Sabi, x equals 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is your x equals 1. And this is your, dito mama, patamain natin. Ay. This is your x equals 7. So, yung length na pinapahanap dyan is pulayan natin ng pula. Itong part na to. Mula dito hanggang dito. So, ano daw yung length niyan? So, kung yan ay ating hinahanap, we will be using the formula, yung along x-axis. Kasi ang given sa atin ay x equals 1 plus x equals 7. Yan yung magiging boundary natin. So, this is length is equal to the integral of, ano ulit ang formula? That is in square root of 1 plus, this is dy over dx. Then, huwag kakalimutan itong squared. Then, dx mula sa x sub 1 to x sub 2. Length is integral of square root of 1 plus itong dy over dx. Solve natin. This is dy over dx. Okay, ano raw yung dy over dx? So, kung ang equation mo ay y is equal to 6x plus 3, i-derive mo lang to. This will become derivative of y, that is dy, equals 6x plus 3. The derivative of this is 6. And then, excuse me, and then dx. Divide both sides by dx. Therefore, your dy over dx will be just 6. That is 6 squared dx mula saan? Mula 1 papuntang 7. Length is integral of 1 plus 6 squared is 36. Therefore, this is square root of 37 dx 1 to 7. Okay. Kung gagamit ka ng calcu, you can, you can solve this ng madalian lang. This will become 36.4966. So, huwag kakalimutan ang units. And that is your final answer. Pero kung di mo gagamitan ng calculator, yung nag-integrate, this is just, integral natin to, integrate natin tong part na to. This will be square root of 37x. So, from 1 to 7, this is just, so this is 7 square root of 37 minus 1 square root of 37. Therefore, this is equal to 6 square root of 37 units. Ayan. Pag gusto mong gawin decimal yan, gagamit ka ng approximation. Next, how about this next problem? Find the length of the curve y squared is equal to x from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 5. So, this will become, sabi, find the length daw. So, i-graph muna natin siya para mas maintindihan natin. This one. Okay. Y squared is equal to x is a graph of a parabola that opens to where? To the right, that is pa ganon, with vertex at 0, 0, the origin. This is your curve. Sabi, mula daw 0, mula y is equal to 0, that is y equals 0, itong x-axis mo, and then y equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This is your y is equal to 5. Ngayon, ang pinapahanap na length sa atin dyan is eto. Yan. Yan ang pinapahanap na length sa atin. Ano daw yung length niyan? Okay? Paano kaya hanapin yung length niyan? So, that is just simply the formula for arc length. Pero titingnan natin kung ano yung given sa atin. So, sabi mula 0 to 5, tas naka-y yan. Ibig sabihin, this is length equal to integral of, this is square root of 1 plus, this is dx over dy squared multiplied by, this is multiplied by dy mula y sub 1 papuntang y sub 2. This is length is equal to integral of, kunin muna natin yung dx over dy. That is y squared equals x. Okay? Derive muna natin to. This is 2y dy equals derivative ng x, this is dx. Sabi, dx over dy, therefore, divide natin sila both sides by dy. This is cancelled. Therefore, your dx over dy, or the derivative of x with respect to y, is integral of the square root of 1 plus, this is 2y squared dy mula saan? mula 0 papuntang 5. Therefore, length is equal to, kung ika-calculate nyo yan, this will become 25.8742 units. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa ating lesson for arc length today. So if may mga tanong kayo, kindly comment down below or any suggestions na topic na pwede nating i-discuss. So kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next videos. Yun lang, maraming salamat.